Hi everyone, today I'll be doing an eyebrow tutorial using the Jacque Mgido brow pen. Okay, so for starters, I like to brush up my eyebrows, get that braid shape, and then I take a concealer and just get an idea of the shape I'm supposed to be following, like that. Okay, so now that I've shaped my eyebrow, I'm just going to blend in with my finger the concealer at the bottom. And now with my pen, I'm just gonna make very light hair-like strokes. Very light, see? And then I make my pen darker at the ends because I like an ombre eyebrow. You can see. Now I'm just gonna go back in with my concealer and clean up my eyebrow. I hope you guys can see this. There we go. You have to be very patient because you don't want to go into the eyebrow as well. See? And then blend it in. Then we're going to do the top of the eyebrow. I like to start with the end because it kind of gives me an idea of the shape. There we go. Whew, this is the scary part.